Imagine a world where every moment you spend consuming content feels like pouring water into an endless bucket. The more you pour, the heavier that bucket gets. It starts filling up with noise, distractions, and superficial stuff. Before you know it, it overflows and spills over, seeping into every part of your life, your relationships, your focus, even your sense of self. This isn't just about wasting time. It's about losing clarity and identity in the flood of information around us. Every click, every scroll adds weight to that overflowing vessel. The more you feed it, the less room there is for real thought or genuine connection. And eventually you find yourself drowning in a sea of endless streams until one day you realize that sometimes the only way to breathe again is to stop pouring. Think about it. Every scroll, every swipe, every click adds to this relentless flood. It starts with a simple curiosity, what's new? Who's trending? But that curiosity quickly turns into an insatiable hunger. The feed becomes a torrent that drowns out your own thoughts, your own voice. Just as if your mind is a glass being filled beyond capacity. The pressure builds until it shatters, leaving fragments of focus and clarity scattered across the digital landscape. This endless cycle feeds on your attention like a predator stalking its prey. Every notification, every viral meme, every influencer's highlight reel pulls you deeper into the abyss. You lose track of time, of yourself, of reality itself. And in that chaos, you forget who you are outside the screen, lost in the noise, swallowed by the machine. Consider the stories behind this phenomenon. A teenager in Seoul spends hours chasing viral videos, her entire identity dissolving into hashtags and filters that flicker like neon ghosts. Meanwhile, a middle-aged man in New York scrolls through news feeds so compulsively he forgets what he was originally searching for, lost in a sea of outrage, memes, and endless notifications. These are not isolated cases. They echo a collective surrender to digital saturation. For time, this relentless overconsumption erodes critical thinking and emotional resilience. It dulls our ability to focus on what truly matters. We become passive spectators rather than active participants in our own lives. Our attention spans shrink. Our capacity for reflection diminishes with every swipe. The screen becomes both prison and refuge, a trap from which few escape unscathed. This flood also distorts how we see reality. Viral trends influence our beliefs more than facts do. Influencers craft stories that serve their brands, but they often leave us feeling emptier than before. We chase after quick dopamine hits, mistaking them for real fulfillment. But beneath all this chaos, a quiet rebellion is waiting to be sparked. The choice to log off, to reclaim space for silence and reflection. Imagine stepping away from the endless scroll where silence becomes your sanctuary instead of noise. It's in these pauses that clarity appears, revealing how much of what we consume is just hollow illusion. True power lies in choosing awareness over distraction and authenticity over algorithmic approval. Remember this. Every drop you refuse to pour into that overflowing bucket is a victory for clarity and authenticity. It's time to see the real cost of endless consumption. Each time we give in to the relentless urge to consume more, we drown ourselves in noise, distraction, and superficiality. Think about the stories buried beneath all that content, moments of genuine connection lost in the sea of fleeting likes and shares. So ask yourself, what kind of world do you want to live in? One drowned in endless noise or one rooted in meaning and purpose? The choice is yours. Stop feeding the machine that feeds on your attention. Or yes, think more, live deeper.